Hi, I'm Rita Fox. Welcome to my Paw Patrol video, Puma's unboxing video. Hello, wait, I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. And Daddy is hot.
Woo!
Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing.
All right, so what do we have today?
We have Marshall shoes.
Okay, these are Puma Suede Marshalls. Let's take a look at the shoes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I got no more in the box. Let's get the other one out. All right, now let's take a look. Whoa. Shoes. So show the side of the shoes. Ooh, cool.
Wow.
Ooh, cool. So what is that on the side of the shoes? Is that the flames?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, show the back of the shoe. What's on the back? Ooh.
Marshall
Okay.
face.
And what's that white midsole part with the polka dots on there? Let's see that. So that's supposed to be like Marshall's skin, just like your costume. You guys see the white on the costume?
And
Yep.
polka dots.
Yep, the white and the polka dots on the costume. That's the same thing as the white midsole. That's cool. And let's look at the tongue on the other shoe.
Your tongue?
Yeah, on that one. The one on your lap. Show the tongue on there. Ooh, got flames. Look, the tongue on the shoe is like the tongue right here on your fire marshal outfit.
Right
See,
here.
the same type of flames. Cool.
Thank you for checking out my video. Bye.
Peace.